Worst part of this, these wires got to be on top of this assembly, and then all these things can go down in there. The wire for that goes underneath everything, and that little retainer rubber shit goes on a piece of metal. Same with that one right here. You can see it. That one right there's got rubber too. I haven't even got the back one. Putting it in the slot. There's a breather tube underneath all this crap. And it's down here underneath my hand. It's got to be going in this angle. And then once you get it in there, get the tube on the carburetor, then it'll push down if you don't squish your fingers. And of course, this is just normal stuff. Colors match up. Battery, there you go. Just took off the cover. There's that tube. That's got to go on. And that's about it. Then you're about done. These 3 bolts go in last, after it's slipped in little slots here. And then you got 2 bolts. Finally got it going. Grease the front end, put air in the tires. I don't think it needs an oil change, and I can't find nothing to do it anyways.